What's going on, everybody? We are back for the beginning of a new season and a closeout of the last. Everybody should know, or who watch the channel knows, this office was set up as a point for working on the channel. That's why I set it all up. I was having difficulty editing. I have the whole computer system lighted or set up, and the studio is done. I have a space to work and be creative. So to close it out and begin the new year, that's what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish decorating it. I've been having some time, I've been thinking about exactly what I wanna do, and the last thing I wanna do is get some ambiance. So that's why I have this Groove LED 2mm Dream Color Light strip. That's right. So basically, I'm gonna finish up and decorate this desk and make it creative. That's the whole point of it. So open up the box and I'm gonna put some LED strips right across the line right here. Go with the computer with its LED RGB theme and close it out and have some fun doing it. All from Amazon for about $10–15. Link down in the description if you wanna try it yourself. But as I said, it's just some fun thing that I want to do to finish up this build and this studio. It's pretty much here for me to work. So let's get to it. Open up this box, see how it looks, and install it. Easy as that. Just as if we're working in the garage. So inside the box, it shouldn't be nothing too surprising. I have some little cards and whatnot. Oh, probably should be careful with that. That is going to be the LED strip, and it looks like it plugs into the computer right here, and that is all to it. We're going to run this the length of the desk, and it should have some adhesive to it. Let's see if we can bring it out long enough. And if I look right down here at the bottom, exactly, yes, it has adhesive for the strip of LEDs, and on the other side it's pretty protected with a pretty soft gel on it. And installation is going to be just as simple. I'm pretty much going to have this run the length of the desk. It's going to come around to the end, and then this is going to mount underneath, and I'll have a USB plug into the computer. As easy as that. So let's get to it and finish this job in about 10 minutes. It's going to be one of those most easiest jobs you can do, but add the most flair to your setup. So let's get to it. And as easy as that, 10 minutes later, boom. Creativity. It's just one of those things to just go over the top as I do on Joey's Garage to make it fun, to make it interesting, and like I said, just creativity and just to be myself. So $10, ran it along the length of the desk, came around, looped it under, and I have a controller under there. But the best part that I found out that I wasn't even aware of, instead of it being powered by AC, where you plug it into the, just the wall, and you have a remote, I go to shut down my computer, flickers, takes it easy, it's shutting down, and it stops. You get a light little bit on the end, and it just goes to white. That's pretty cool. So just like a backlighting at the end, and it's, as I said, it's me. It's over the top extreme. So this is the end to the series last year of getting this studio up and running for an upgraded channel, 4K, 100% quality, and into this next year, which I'm going to start working on tomorrow, of In the Garage. So this is it. This is going to be my path forward to coming to you guys. So thank you very much for watching. As always, I'm interested in this little strip. It's used, I think, a lot of the times for TVs. You can plug it in. But as I said, I found it just the perfect link for my desk, so went ahead and used it. Links down in the description for Amazon if you're interested in buying. And Interesting enough, that's going to be a little bit of a hint to the theme to this next year of the channel. So thank you for watching. Ride safe, drive safe, and I mean it straight from the heart. Keep at least 2 wheels on the road.